before we continue on with today's project, I just wanted to bring some very special guests in. This is the brains behind Empty Pockets Ironworks. She's the one that handles all of the orders. She's the one that tells me what I should and shouldn't make, and she's also the one that takes care of me just as much as our 5 kids. This, of course, is Laura, my beautiful wife. And we're both donning some of our Empty Pockets swag. Now, remember I said in the last video that we have t-shirts available. If you want one, it helps us out tremendously. It gets our name out there. We don't really make anything off of them, but it's just cool to know that people out there are wearing your brand. So if you're interested in one, hit us up at facebook.com/EP Ironworks. And with that, she's going to model some of the other shirts here for you, or at least hold them up. This one, as you can see, is the, well, female version. I wouldn't look that good in it. I've got too big of a gut. But on the front, it's got the colored emblem. On the back, it has our established 2018. And with that being said, I really want to give a huge shout out and thank you to guys. We just recently reached 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, excuse me. And that is a huge milestone for us. From just being a small town guy that likes to beat on stuff and try to make a few things in the shop, for us to even make it this far, it is spectacular. And for that, I really want to thank you guys. But I'm going to hand it over to her. She's going to show you some of the shirts. These things are awesome. If you're interested, don't feel obligated, but if you are, shoot us a message on Facebook. She'll handle the order and make sure you get one.
We offer a few different colors for tanks, and we can do up to 4X in the tanks. We've got the black design on the black and gray heather tank top, the Razorbacks.
I might wear this one, just saying.
The black with the pink, with the black logo. We have the full color logo also. And then our universal shirts for both boys, women, and men. You can do your name on the front of it, or we can put established 2018. And then our logo is on the back of that.
On the white, it really shows up. I like that. He's got one, but he's already grown out of it, so we're going to have to make another one. And then, not to plug it, but yes, they can make kid sizes too.
The gray with our colored logo.
My favorite.
And then the black logo on the gray. They all run $20 unless you need plus sizes. They do run $24, and we can ship throughout the U.S. for now. So if you want anything, just let us know. You can get onto our Facebook, shoot me a message, and I can have you send us PayPal or whatever. We can figure out a way for it. So just let us know. We would love to hear from you guys.
And with that, thank you, Laura. Thank you, Boo Boo. This is Boo Boo. His shirt actually says Boo Boo on it. It's not his real name, but you know, for internet purposes, you guys can't know that. Anyway.
Hi.
I really appreciate everybody. Again, I'm going to try to keep this short and sweet. I hope you guys are enjoying the door handles that we're making today. And yeah, I just wanted to throw that out there. Thank you guys. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.
Say bye.
Say bye. Wave. Bye.